Okay guys, so following from the last video, you may have seen it, it's up here somewhere if you haven't. Something crazy's happened, and by crazy I don't mean good, I mean something crazy's happened. Check this out. Well, holy shit. Okay, so here's what happened. I've made you guys a diagram, it's something around here you can see. So what happened was roundabout, especially in the UK, roundabouts are just notorious for being asshole collectors. I enter the roundabout, I get around the roundabout, and a car comes speeding over into the middle of the roundabout, completely wrong, don't ever do that if that's you. Slams on, a car behind it plows into the back of that car, which skids out, takes the whole side of my car out. So pictures if you want to see more detail here. And that's it. So this damage and the wheel damage was done by the back end of someone else's car on the wrong side of the road. They got out of the car, they was in my face and they were saying, this is your fault, accept that you was the one that did this. Hell no, this is definitely not my fault, 100%. So with that, some guy comes out the house, he's seen the whole thing, he's like, these guys need to back off, I'm here as your witness, so if that's you, thank you so much, I owe you a drink. So yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna have to backtrack, I guess. The whole plan was that this was going to be a complete Nismo upgrade. It was going to have the front bumper, the back, everything else. The truth is that I was not ready to do that for a few more modifications yet. We had a lot more in the pipeline ready to go. So we've kind of been told to speed this up a little bit, because now the insurance are getting involved and they're like, look, we need to get this sorted. The body shop I use, they don't mind if I pay a bit extra cash and they'll do the rest of the body spraying and colour change and all that stuff. So, take the wheel off, try and get it repaired if we can. If not, they're avant-gardes from America and I don't know where anybody else is going to get them in the UK, so that sucks completely. Front bumper, I've already bought that. Back bumper, that's also bought. The Fly One carbon fibre fenders, I was going to show you guys them in a different video, but I might as well tell you now anyway. They're already here. The side skirts, the Nismo side skirts, they look cool. They're here tomorrow, so Friday, if that's too late, it will be too late. So the side skirts are here also. I have one DRL, because those things cost the fucking world, and whoever buys them brand new, I have no idea. I got one, the right hand side from Kazakhstan, so again, if that's you, awesome for selling it to me, because now I'm stuck trying to find the other one, which is also difficult to find, and I just then go to the dealer because I've heard stories that you can get two for like £1,200, which isn't doable. This video is going to be dead short. I've got my family down from South Africa. This guy,
hi. Must I sit on the floor like you? You like my shades, I like my shades. I got my watch. You can probably see two cars behind me. I'm not gonna say which one's my favorite. It's a sad story what happened to the beautiful 370Z. I'm gonna go buy myself some fish and chips though. So
yeah, that's my cousin Caleb. He's from South Africa, Cape Town specifically, and he's a cool guy. He doesn't know much about cars, but so yeah, so that's the story of the car. That's the parts that we're gonna replace it with. I forgot as well, we have the Nismo arch extenders, whatever the hell they do, but I figured I might as well get them anyway. So all I'm waiting for is one DRL, then the whole kit's complete. The car goes in tomorrow. So this should start getting repaired, which we'll try and document the best we can. I'll keep popping in every now and then to keep getting updates. So I'll probably end this video with the fact that we're gonna fix this wheel, try and get it off and take it somewhere to get fixed. We have this beautiful thing to replace that expensive avant-garde wheel. This should be good. I'm gonna end this video, guys, by saying thank you so much for watching and seeing this awful catastrophe happen.
Get an insight on the here.
So yeah, this shouldn't be like this. If you like the video, guys, give it a like. If you disliked it, give it a dislike. If you want to tell us how to do it better, I'm completely open to ears. This is still new to me and I'm enjoying it, which is good. So enjoy the little clips of the damage. I enjoy watching people's cars who get crashed and then we see the sort of restoration. So I'm guessing you guys will. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Smash the like button if that's something that you're into. Dislike button if you think we could have done something better, and let me know in the comments what it is. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. This is where the damage starts on the driver's side door. This is the back bumper. It took it completely across. Got into the rear quarter where it gave it a nice little smash up. And then finished, I'm pretty sure you'll all agree, is outstanding.